Namaste, I am Shivani. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Sanskrit Mantras. Today we are going to learn another protection mantra. But this particular mantra is a mantra that protects us from ourselves, from our inner demons and negativity, in particular the negative ego. It eradicates, it eliminates, it destroys the negative ego. This is the mantra of a very fierce aspect of Divine Mother. Because don't forget that mothers are the most loving creatures in the world, but they're also we are also very fear when protecting our children. So this Divine Mother, Kali, she is very fierce when it comes to protecting her devotees from negativity, from their inner demons, and from their negative ego. Goddess Kali is known as the Terrible One and is depicted with blue skin, which is not very typical from the feminine goddesses. I believe she's the only one maybe with dark skin, maybe not, but is the only one that I can think of. And she has her tongue sticking out, dripping blood, and wears a garland of skulls or heads of the demons that she's defeated, and has numerous arms bearing weapons, different swords and all sorts of weapons to destroy this negativity. So she's very worshipped in India and throughout the world because of her effectiveness in destroying negativity. She is an aspect of Durga, of Shivani, of the feminine aspect of Shiva himself. And that's her final purpose, to defeat negativity. Her mantra, her Mula mantra or foundation mantra, is what we're learning today. And it has the typical construction of any Mula or basic mantra, which starts with a Sanskrit symbol Om, representing the creation of the universe. Then it's followed by the seed sound of this particular principle. In this case is Krim. Krim is the seed sound for Kali. So just by reciting or chanting Krim, we are tapping into her energy. Kali Kaye. Kali Kaye. Kali is the goddess, the principle, and Ye is the feminine suffix. Kali Kaye Namaha, which is I salute you and honor you. Om Krim Kali Kaye Namaha. And we are going to chant it 108 times using the same crystal mala with the spacers with the colors of the chakras, a lotus flower, and a goddess as a pendant. We used the last video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, please, and like my Facebook page. You can share all the videos that I post on Facebook and Twitter, and take a look at the blog. Let's talk about mantras, because there's a lot of information about the mantras. If you need more information about the malas, go to my webpage, shaktimalas.com. All of that information is in the description box of this video. So we're going to chant the mantra 108 times. And here we go. Om Krim Kalikaye Namaha. 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 ॐ क्रीं कलिकायै नमः। 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 Om Krim Kalikaye Namaha. 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 Te deseo una jornada llena de bendiciones. May you have a blessed day. Tatastu.